How to log into Costco credit card online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you log into your Costco credit card online account. So first of all, open your browser and type citibank.com. You'll be redirected to its official homepage, and here on the right side of your display, you can clearly see the sign in option. Here, enter your username and your password. In case you forgot, you can tap on Forgot User ID or Password and reset it. If you don't have a registered account, you can simply click on Register or Activate from here. And in case you have forgotten your account credentials, you can also log in with your QR code from another device. Now click on Sign In, and once you're logged into your Citibank, you can easily access your Costco credit card bank online. So this is how you can log into your Costco credit card online account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.